Good afternoon and welcome to India Today SoSouth. I'm Sara Fazal. The Supreme Court, in a surprising move on Tuesday, asked the All India Institute of Medical Sciences in Delhi to defer enacting the apex court ruling the previous day. What are we talking about? Now, in a judgment pronounced on Monday, a Supreme Court bench comprising of Justices Hima, Kohli and B.V. Nagarathna had allowed a woman pregnant with her third child to terminate the pregnancy after 26 weeks. A 2021 amendment to the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act of 1971 allows a pregnancy to be terminated only up till 24 weeks. The woman in this case had petitioned the apex court to terminate the pregnancy late because she was breastfeeding her second child, she stated, and did not know that the pregnancy was due until it was too late. The bench had noted that the petitioner was suffering from postpartum depression and was not in a position to raise a third child. Let me tell you what the bench had stated. This court does recognize the right of a woman over her body and the fact that if an unwanted pregnancy results in a child being brought into the world, a large part of the responsibility of rearing such a child will fall on the shoulder of the petitioner, which at this point she doesn't consider herself fit for. However, after concerns were raised by doctors at AIIMS that the fetus would have a viable chance of being born, the union government sought a recall of the Supreme Court order that permitted the abortion. Additional Solicitor General Aishwarya Bhatti, appearing for the union government, argued that the termination was recommended by court despite medical board saying that the baby had a viable chance of being born, which in this case would have to conduct a feticide. A bench led by Chief Justice of India, that is D.Y. Chandrachud, noting that the AIIMS doctors were in a very serious dilemma, stated that a bench would be constituted on Wednesday to hear the union government's recall application. Justice Chandrachud then asked the union government to file a formal application seeking a recall of the earlier bench's order. The Chief Justice said he will constitute a bench for the hearing on Wednesday and ask the hospital to hold the abortion procedure for now. I'm Sara Fazal, reporting for India Today SoSouth.